This is a Reconstructionist radio production. Please visit garynorth.com/free books to download the PDF of this book or to purchase a hard copy. The title of this book is Days of Vengeance, an exposition of the Book of Revelation by David Chilton, 1987, Dominion Press, narrated by Daniel Sorensen. Foreword. Readers of the Book of Revelation are either mesmerized or mystified by it. The mesmerized come up with such startling interpretations that the mystified often conclude that sober-minded Christians should leave the book well alone. David Chilton's commentary ought to be studied by both types of reader. He shows that Revelation is a book, like every other book of the New Testament, addressed primarily to the first century church and easily understood by them, because they were thoroughly familiar with Old Testament imagery. He shows that once we grasp these idioms, Revelation is not difficult for us to understand either. Revelation remains, though, a challenging and relevant book for us, not because it gives an outline of world history with special reference to our era, but because it shows us that Christ is in control of world history and how we should live and pray and worship. In vivid, powerful imagery, it teaches us what it means to believe in God's sovereignty and justice. May this valuable commentary prompt us to pray with John and the universal church in heaven and on earth. Even so come, Lord Jesus. Gordon Wenham, the College of St. Paul and St. Mary, Cheltenham, England.